Leaks in a two-story townhome can be a total nightmare, especially when the bathrooms are back-to-back and both being used at once. So here's the lowdown on handling payment when you're stuck between a big plumbing job and a screw-up in diagnosis. First off, always get a written estimate before any work starts, even if it's a company you've used before. You want everything on the record. When the plumber cut open your ceiling and found that old sewer line, it made sense to replace it, but since the leak came back, that's a red flag. Someone missed something crucial. Since the supervisor agreed the tub faucet was actually the culprit, hold off on paying the full $4,600 until you see a detailed invoice showing which parts of the job were necessary and which weren't. You already paid $600 as a deposit, so deduct that from whatever final bill you agree on. Don't be shy about asking for a clear explanation or even a partial refund for the unnecessary sewer line work. Plumbers should stand behind their diagnoses. Also, get an estimate for fixing the tub faucet before making any new payments. And if they drag their feet or get defensive, remind them that you're willing to escalate to your state's contractor board if needed. Staying firm but polite is key here. You're paying for a fix, not a guessing game. One of the biggest mistakes in plumbing repair situations like this is trusting a single diagnosis without a second opinion. Technicians can miss leaks or jump to conclusions about old pipes, causing problems, when it's really something simpler. Fix. Always ask for a supervisor review if the problem persists after repairs. Another common issue is paying the full amount before the work is fully verified as successful. This can lead to overpaying for unnecessary repairs. Fix. Insist on partial payments tied to completed, confirmed fixes. Lastly, homeowners sometimes forget to get everything documented up front. Estimates, payment agreements, and detailed invoices, which makes disputes harder to resolve later. Fix. Always have clear paperwork before any work begins or money changes hands. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't leave you hanging with half-finished jobs or surprise costs. For contractors, it's a solid way to connect with real customers looking for quality work, making sure everyone gets what they need without all the usual headaches.